And that is a heel twist, heel twist. So for the heel twist, it's first heel. So once you're on your heel, the back foot has to be on the toe. Twist, step, step, twist. Again, from the top, heel, step, twist, step, twist, step. So again, 1, 2, 1, 2. Second part, cross in the front, twist, cross, twist. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Yep, that's your heel twist, heel twist, heel twist. So for your switch up, so you're doing basically one leg crosses in front, the back leg comes in front. You're on the side where the ankle is, and then one foot is up top, one is on the side of the ankle, on the ankle. So from there, you'll flip it to the opposite, which means I'll go on the ankles here and on the foot on the opposite. So this, and then switch back. 1, 2, 1, 2. So I'll do the movement first, and then I'll explain it. So for that, kick, step, up, ankle. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.